Japan's summers are becoming tougher every year, and for people working outdoors or in hot industrial environments, the heat can be more than just uncomfortable. Construction workers, factory employees, event staff, and many others are dealing with rising temperatures that increase the risk of heat exhaustion. To tackle that problem, two Japanese companies have created a unique solution that works like a personal cooling room. The new system is called the Do Hyman Box, and it's essentially a walk-in cooling booth designed to help people cool down quickly during breaks. Instead of relying on fans or portable coolers, you simply step inside, sit down, and let the booth do the work. The booth stands about 2 meters tall and is built with stainless steel on the outside, while the interior uses insulated walls to keep the cold air locked inside. A clear acrylic door seals with magnets, but can easily be pushed open from the inside. It's also mounted on locking wheels, making it easy to move wherever it's needed. For construction sites, there's even a version equipped with lifting points, so a crane can place it in hard-to-reach locations. Once you're inside, you'll find a built-in seat waiting for you. Cold air blows from the back of the booth at around 5 degrees Celsius, targeting the back of your neck, head, and shoulders where cooling is most effective. Meanwhile, the inside of the booth stays at a comfortable 15 degrees Celsius. Users can choose different cooling and airflow settings using simple controls on the front panel. According to the companies, most people begin feeling relief after just 5 minutes. Spending around 10 minutes inside is enough to help lower body temperature and ease the early signs of heat exhaustion. To prevent overcooling, the system automatically reduces its cooling power after about 20 minutes. Setting it up is surprisingly simple. It plugs into a standard 100-volt outlet, so there's no complicated installation process. Even when outdoor temperatures reach around 35 degrees Celsius, the booth uses only about 0.51 kilowatt-hours of electricity, making it much more energy efficient than many traditional spot coolers. It also features a smart system that automatically expels condensed water from the back, while an internal LED light keeps the space well lit. Designed for light outdoor use with an IPX3 rating, the booth can safely support users weighing up to 150 kilograms. The standard model is priced at 1.5 million yen before tax, which is roughly $9,200. Buyers can also choose upgraded versions that include crane lifting points or even a portable power station for greater flexibility. Rather than targeting individual buyers, the companies are focusing on businesses, including construction firms, warehouses, factories, event organizers, and government agencies. One interesting example is Maebashi City Hall, where a Do Hyman box has been installed in the lobby for anyone to use during extremely hot days. Since the booth doesn't require any special construction or permanent wiring, it can simply be rolled into place, plugged in, and put into service almost immediately. What's especially clever is that the technology behind the booth comes from refrigerated vending machines. SDRS took its experience designing insulated cooling systems for vending machines and expanded the concept into a full-size personal cooling space. It's a practical solution for workplaces where traditional air conditioning can't reach everyone, or where workers constantly move between indoor and outdoor areas. As heat waves continue to become more common, innovations like the Do Hyman box could offer a simple and effective way to help workers stay safer, recover faster during breaks, and reduce the risk of heat-related illnesses without requiring major changes to existing workplaces.